Imagine a future where Sri Lankan enterprises are not surviving but thriving, empowered by the transformative power of digitalization. Today, we explore how that future can become a reality. Just as a river carves its path through the landscape, digitalization is reshaping Sri Lankan enterprises, turning challenges into opportunities and creating a growth in the business ecosystem. We are group number 16. I'm Buddhika Kahandawarachi. This is the content of our presentation. Our presentation aims to explore the digitalization strategy of Sri Lankan enterprises with specific focus on our selected company. But at the moment, we are unable to disclose our company real name throughout this presentation, as we are unable to disclose the company real name on social media platform. However, company real name has been disclosed in our group report. For the discussion purpose, we are using, please consider we are using hypothetical name as ABC company throughout our presentation. Moving back to my presentation, uh, in modern environment, digitalization has become a key role for organization success. As industries worldwide undergo rapid technological advancements, companies are embarrassing digital transformation to remain competitive and to enhance operational efficiency and deliver better customer experience. So our team will discuss on digital maturity model using Gartner's digital maturity model of ABC company, as well as our presentation will discuss challenges and opportunities encountered during the digital transformation process, and my team will provide recommendation for enhancing the company's digital strategy. Thank you. Over to you, Bhagya.
Yes, thank you, Buddhika. Now we'll discuss about business context analysis in Sri Lanka. Here we are basically discussing under three factors: economical landscape in Sri Lanka, technological landscape in Sri Lanka, and regulatory landscape in Sri Lanka. When we discuss about the economic landscape in Sri Lanka, currently after a huge pandemic situation and economic crisis, now Sri Lanka is becoming into its normal situation, and also with that the inflation rate and the exchange rate also being normalized, and also the debt rate is being normalized with the support of IMF. When moving to the technological landscape in Sri Lanka, so now data protection policies have been implemented in technological scale in Sri Lanka, and also data driven decisions are being taken by most of the companies. And also furthermore, in Sri Lanka, basically the transformation strategy should be followed. When moving to the regulatory landscape in Sri Lanka, basically there are certain rules and regulations which are being implemented in order to have the smooth functioning in companies, especially in tax. When we are discussing about the tax policies, there are certain tax policies which have been implemented, like VAT, income tax. And also when we discuss about the labor rules and regulations, the Chopin Office and Wages Board Act, such acts are being implemented. And also when we discuss about the business regulations, the registration of business, such things are being discussed under this. Now let's move into the industry specific challenges and opportunities for ABC PLC. So here we have choose a financial sector company. So there are certain challenges which are being faced by financial sector companies. The first one is lack of adaptability to cultural shifts. Here, with the enhancement of technology and also with the enhancement of new business strategies, the internal and external stakeholders should adapt to the cultural changes. But at the moment, especially in financial sector, it's very difficult to make its internal and external stakeholders, especially the employees of the companies and also the customers who are coming to the financial companies. So it's very difficult to adjust them to cultural changes and also economic uncertainties. As I discussed previously, there are certain economic uncertainties like inflation rate, increase of exchange rate, which are arising in Sri Lanka. So that's a big challenge for financial sector companies. Environmental, social, and governance consideration. Here, basically, the environmental and social sustainability is a big challenge, and also, on other hand, it's a good opportunity in order to win the competitive advantage. So it's a big challenge to have consideration on environment, social, and best governance practices in financial sector companies. Now let's discuss about the opportunities. When we are discussing on opportunities, rise of internet and online facilities, it's a good opportunity especially to the financial sector companies for easy and smooth functioning of the internal operation and also to provide the best service for its customers. Data driven strategies for growth. Good data, that means the accurate data is essential for a company in order to enhance its growth and also to have a good functioning system. So data driven strategies, using of data driven strategies is a good opportunity for current companies. Enhance transparency and accountability, especially in financial sector companies. The transparency in each and every operation, especially in transactions, should be there, and also accountability for the tasks which they are doing should be there. So if it is enhanced and if it is practiced by companies, it will be a good opportunity for them to overcome the challenges which they are facing. So these are the things which I am discussing. Next, over to you, Chatu.
Thank you, Bhagya. In this section, I will discuss about digital maturity of a basic company. To assess the digital maturity level, we use Ghana's digital maturity model. In this study, we focus on 5 key aspects. The first one is strategy. Under strategy, organization has clear digital vision that align with business strategy of the organization, and digitalization is a part of company's overall strategic plan. The second one is technology adoption. Under technology adoptions, the organization has cloud-based software platform like payment wallets. An organization has their own mobile apps, and also company successfully handled their credit card operations integrated with largest commercial bank and directly linked with Lanka Pay. And company has their CRM system also. The third one is customer experience. Under customer experience, organization use mobile apps and ATM connected with Lanka Pay, and any customer can access to the any branch in the ABC company to do any business requirements. And fourth one is data and analytics. Under that, organization has well-defined governance framework incorporate with data ownership, data stewardship, data privacy and security policies. The last one is culture and workforce. Under that, organization has a broad approved digital map, and they have set KPIs also. And all departments in the organization working collaboratively with IT department. Based on this assessment, we conclude that organization is currently in level 3, that is digital performer. To reach the next level of the digital maturity, which is digital leader, we recommend organizations should optimize customer experience, leverage advanced data analytics, enhance automation and IT integration, strengthen digital ecosystem, focus on digital governance and security, agile and scalable IT infrastructure development, an integrated digital organization will able to be a leader. And that is the end of my part. I over to Ajit. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Chatu. This slide is pertaining to stakeholder analysis of ABC Company PLC. We know that stakeholder analysis is crucial for successful digitalization initiatives, and it's helped ABC Company to understand and manage the influence, interest, and potential impact of various stakeholders, ensuring alignment and minimizing resistance if there are any. For this purpose, our team broadly analyzed the ABC company's key internal and external stakeholders, considering certain criteria in order to assess the level of influence, interest, and potential impacts for companies' digitalization initiatives of these various internal and external stakeholders. The areas we considered, the criteria that we considered are identifying and mapping stakeholders, understand stakeholder needs and expectations, manage change and resistance, enhancing communications and collaborations, optimizing resource allocations, competitive advantage, and ensuring finally long-term success of the company. So accordingly, this is a final summary of the stakeholder analysis of ABC Company PLC in terms of digitalization initiatives. So I'll hand over this next to Ruanti. Ruanti, over to you.
Thank you, Ajit. I hope to briefly discussing the technology infrastructure recommendation for digital transformation. First, cloud computing and hybrid cloud solution will provide ABC PLC with the flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency needed for rapid deployment and secure data management. By leveraging cloud platforms with automated scaling and multi-region redundancy, we ensure higher availability while meeting regulatory compliance. Second, cybersecurity and compliance is a top priority, implementing a zero trust security model. AI-powered threat detection and advanced encryption will safeguard customer data and maintain trust. Multi-factor authentication and automated backups will enhance agents' cyber trust and ensure business continuity. Next, robotic process automation and workflow automation will optimize operations by automating repetitive tasks like loan processing and complaints checks. This will be improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance customer experience by delivering faster services. Furthermore, fintech and blockchain solution will enhance transaction security and transparency. By integrating blockchain for smart contracts and secure transaction, as well as open banking API for similar financial services, ABC PLC can offer innovative and customer-centric financial solution. By embracing these advancements, ABC PLC will not only streamline operations but also position itself as a leader in digital financial services. The future is digital, and with the right infrastructure, we will drive innovation, enhance customer satisfaction, and secure long-term growth. Next, over to Chakra.
Thank you, Ruanti. We are going to discuss about ABC PLC's journey to digital leadership. This isn't just about technologies, it's about a fundamental cultural shift. First, we built a digital culture. Leadership must drive this, showcasing commitment and clear vision. We will foster innovation by empowering employees, encouraging risk-taking, and creating spaces for experimentation. We will ensure everyone's involved, boosting digital literacy and leveraging data for informed decisions. Next, our change management strategy guided by Granter's model focuses on moving through maturity stages. We start by assessing our current state and building by into clear communication and pilot programs. Then invest in digital skills, offering training programs. We will embed digital into our process by redesigning workflows and promoting data-driven decision making. Finally, we will sustain this culture with continuous learning and adoption. Success is measured by key metrics such as customer satisfaction with digital channels, security incident reduction, and employee digital competency. By aligning people, process, and technology, we will empower employees, overcome resistance, and ensure a smooth digital transformation. Over to you, Shamali. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruani. We'll move to the next part, potential risks associated with digitalization and comprehensive cybersecurity strategy for ABC PLC. As ABC Company PLC advances in digitalization, we must also be aware of the potential risks associated with it. So, the potential risks associated with digitalization include cybersecurity risks, data losses and mismanagement risk, operational and technology risk, data privacy and compliance risk, financial risk, human and cultural risk, and even a reputation and customer trust risk. Among the various risks, cybersecurity stands out as the most crucial risk as it directly impacts to ABC Company PLC's data, operations, and customer trust. So, to safeguard ABC Company PLC's digital assets, we have developed a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy based on 8 key pillars as shown below. Number 1, cybersecurity governance and risk management. Number 2, network and endpoint security. Number 3, data protection and privacy. Number 4, identity and access management. Number 5, threat detection and incident response. Number 6, security awareness and training. Number 7, cloud and third-party security. Number 8, continuous improvement and compliance. So, by embedding these security measures into ABC Company PLC's digital initiatives, we ensure a resilient, secure, and future-ready organization. That's the end of my part. Next, over to you, Hansika. Thank you.
Thank you, Shamali. ABC Company PLC embraced digital transformation to boost operations, customer services, and innovation, emphasizing digital culture, cybersecurity, and data. While progress is strong, challenges remaining in digital skills, security, and aligning initiative with business goals requiring continuous improvement and commitment. To overcome these challenges, we need to focus on few key actions. Strength digital culture. Leadership must support and encourage digital adoption. Then, providing digital skills training will help employees to work more efficiently. Improve cybersecurity is strong security measures are needed to protect data and customer trust. Leveraging data analysis will help us to make better decisions and adopt agile method using flexible and adaptive approach will speed up innovation. In enhance customer experience, to digital tools should create seamless and personalized interaction. Monitor progress are regularly assessing our digital maturity will keep us on the right track and form strategic partnership is working with technology expert will help us stay ahead and ensure regularly compliance by following industrial regulations will keep us safe from legal risk. Finally thought, ABC Company plc has made strong progress in digital transformation, but the journey does not end here. To become a leader in Sri Lankan financial sector, we must stay commitment to innovation, security, and customer first approach. By working together, embracing challenges, and continuously improving, we can ensure long term success in the digital world. Thank you.